Yes.
Somebody's behind me. 2, 3, 5, 6. When they don't need it for cooking, I'll sell you on it. It like. How's the pace for everybody? And I was like, might be a little fast.
You guys are jogging.
Yeah, I'll have. We're almost there.
And I really need you to understand that all of this is gonna
It's like I'm literally busy right now, Joy. Woo! That's fucking it. That's the shot right there. That's the one I'm looking for.
Hell yeah.
I'm over here freezing my ass off trying to cook breakfast for y'all. And I have to change the propane tank. All of a sudden that shit fucking catches on fire. And I'm the only one that's on top of it, so I gotta fucking seal it back up. And it just fucking burned my whole jacket up. I'm cold.
so eloquently said.
But your hands are fine.
Alright, Jose, tell us what happened.
So I'm sitting there talking to Caleb about beer. All of a sudden, Alejandro decides to give us all a jump scare and lights the whole kitchen on fire. We all go running, nothing, because it was bad. I was pretty sure it was gonna blow. But he got it done. He fixed it, and like a trooper, he kept flipping the tortillas. It was awesome. Honestly, pretty sexy.
We had a lot of rain yesterday. Some sleet, some hail, a lot of snow. And I will admit, I probably did not put our tent in the best spot, but either way, we got
did
back.
Did your fiance Mel suggest a different spot at all?
That's conjecture at this point. I'm going to leave it to my attorneys to decide.
Review the footage.
Yeah, we'll review the footage. But all behold, we got back, and there was a little bit of water, enough to be upsetting in our tent. You know, not a lot was lost, but yeah, we had to make different plans and snuggle up with Joy and Alejandro, and we slept well. It was great, but a little bit of a hiccup in this trip we're on.
Was there any effect on morale?
You know, I crashed out a little bit, you know, but once we got some food and Tirlingua, like, you know, things were good. You know, it worked out. So, yeah, morale's great now. Yeah.
Perfect.
A bit of an outdoorsman. Shout out to Platypus. It's a $21 I don't have a code yet. But I'm going to get a code eventually. Probably 10% off or something. Trying to be an outdoor influencer, so I'm just working on building my brand, you know? Just really working on building my brand. Are you gonna ask me questions, or trip's going good? Yeah, the weather's great. I really loved whenever we were at the top of a mountain, there was a snowstorm that hit. So that was good. Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
How are you geared up for the snowstorm?
I mean, I had a plastic poncho. I was ready. I've never been more ready.
Who was the poncho made for?
It was made for children. It was a
that's
children's
right, yeah.
poncho. We don't have to go there. Caleb, you didn't have to bring that up, but it's fine. Yeah, it was a children's poncho.
I was wearing one too.
$7. Best $7 I've ever spent in my entire life. It may have saved our lives.
Honestly.
It may have actually saved our lives. Fucking Jose over there looked like a spaceman from a movie in the 1960s.
Where's the Chipotle burrito?
Yeah, you look like a little burrito. We'll cut to that right now. Doing a lot of work for the editor, but that was good. Then
That's a good idea.
Alejandro caught himself on fire. Yeah, that was fun. He burnt up his $200 North Face hoodie. So that, but the eggs were good. So.
Any closing comments?
Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram. Outdoor Adventures with Tyler. Sponsored by Tyler's Back Door. Come on, that's my slogan. Come on, everybody, enter Tyler's Back Door to see what I've got cooking. Cut.
Damn, boy, look at those calves! And sometimes he works with couples and they work with him for a year and they come to the decision of like, I don't think this is worth it. I think we're gonna get divorced. And he like helps them through that and that process. I'm like, that's really heavy.
Yeah.
Like, it's soft. It's not ready. Bro, after yesterday, you complain about the dust.
Y'all think I can't take a mountain goat?
Yeah, it's a rock. If I'd have brought my boots, I actually would have, to be honest. But,
That's it. It's a video.
We did it.
How was your bike ride?
It was awesome. We started from the campground. I fell about 2 minutes in. Recovered quickly, and then it was a pretty steep incline in the beginning, and then we just cruised down, which was fun. Let's see, and then we hit the gravel. It was my first time on gravel. It was super fun. Definitely shook things up a bit, and then the prettiest part was coming into Santa Elena Canyon, and the backdrop with all the mountains and the plants, I don't know what they're called, were in bloom, and yeah, I had a great time. Have some battle scars.
What was the best part?
The best part was probably coming into Santa Elena Canyon on gravel. That was pretty cool.
Worst part?
Worst part? My fall in the beginning.
Let's see the battle scars.
All right. Not that bad, but.
Oh my god.
And I have a blister on my
That's
palm.
disgusting.
That's not bad. Super exciting.
These ancient
I've seen better.
artwork created by our ancestors.
Yeah, I've seen better. Give it a 3 out of 10.
2,000 years? I know 6-year-olds that are better than this. We hiked 5 miles for this.
Well, give me a knife. I'll scratch some shit for that.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming today. We're here in Martian Heaven. society of mankind. Right here you can see the upside down cross. Not the best sculpted. I know it looks like just a regular cross. It's supposed to be upside down. You can't tell, but trust me, it really wasn't. And then that stands for no more of Jesus, because we hate Jesus, we don't like God. All hail Satan, all hail the devil. Thank you so much for coming to our class.
Namaste. You can go. Oh yeah.
Two F-150s on his feet now. He's ready.
Brum, 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 with the left hand.
Just some underground. The whole thing, like
Wait, Joe, before you get in, can you do me a huge favor?
That bad picture from the 80s where they're always in their undies.
Oh!
This morning we have high protein, high fiber. Get the sausage action, get that pancake action. Chocolate chips, it's gonna feed you well.
It's definitely gonna make you shit yourself, and that's okay. That's what we're here for. That's what it's all about, really.
The dude wipes are for.
And that's what the dude wipes are for. Sponsor.
It's a little hot.